If you own a Subaru Crosstrek, you know how much of a pain cold mornings are. But can you really install a remote start system without cutting a single wire? That's the bold claim the MPC Remote Start Kit makes for the 2018 through 2025 models. And honestly, after looking at what's included, I was genuinely impressed. This isn't some universal kit. It's pre-configured specifically for your Crosstrek, automatic transmission only, of course. The magic here is the T-harness. This plug-and-play design completely eliminates the fear of splicing wires, which is usually the biggest hurdle for DIY installers. They even include detailed instructions with connector locations, making the process surprisingly smooth if you have just basic 12-volt experience. Now let's talk performance. You get two ultra-compact, one-button two-way remotes. 3,000 feet of range is massive, but the real benefit of the two-way system is the confirmation. You press the button, and the remote confirms back that your vehicle actually started. No more staring out the window wondering if it worked. It maintains all your factory security functions while running, which is essential. And if you want to go full modern, there's an optional smartphone app module available separately. But perhaps the best peace of mind comes from the support. This is USA Tech support, based right out of Tucson, Arizona. Having accessible, local help for a complex electronic install is a huge win. Overall, the MPC kit delivers exactly what it promises: powerful, long-range remote start with an installation process that finally respects the DIYer. If you drive a compatible Crosstrek and want warmth without the wiring headache, this is a seriously compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.